Now make bills for purchases made by customers on the go. With the Jio Prime Merchant app, you neither need a paper bill book nor an expensive computer machine. Come, let's see how to make a bill using Jio Prime Merchant. To get started, go to the Jio Prime Merchant app and tap on Start Billing button. Now, scan the barcode of the product which has been purchased by the customer. Most of the products sold at your store are already available in the catalog of the app. As soon as you scan the barcode, the product will be immediately added to the bill. Your products can also get added by itself. Just hold a product near a scanner for a few milliseconds. Alternatively, you can manually add or reduce items using the plus and the minus sign with each item. After scanning the products, tap on Get Payment. Now that you know how to scan a barcode, bill a product and search for a product in catalog, let us understand in detail how to bill a loose item. Billing a loose item like wheat, rice or any grain is very easy. All you need to do is tap on the Start Billing icon and scan a barcode from the barcode leaflet provided within your Jio Prime box. Here, you will get a quick ad screen. Enter the product name, selling price and unit of measurement. Then, click on Add. Now, to create a bill and save the changes, tap on Get Payment screen. You will see the payment screen. Now, tap on Collect to generate the bill. Congratulations! You have successfully added loose products and also assigned a barcode. Now write the product name on the leaflet besides the assigned barcode for future reference. So next time when you sell this item, you can simply scan the barcode from the leaflet and generate bills, thereby saving your time. You can also reassign the barcode to a different product by editing the product name. Jio from time to time offers discount coupons to customers that can be redeemed at a Jio Prime Merchant store only. It is intended to increase the footfalls at your store and improve your overall business. So, let us see how a merchant can accept coupons through the Jio Prime Merchant app. Customers can avail these coupons in two ways. First, a customer needs to call on 1800 89533333 from his mobile number. Post the call. The customer will receive a SMS with a link. After clicking on the link, he or she can view coupons for various products. Simply tap on the product of the customer's choice and the coupon code will be generated. Open Jio Prime Merchant app and tap on Start Billing. Scan the product. Once the product is added, tap on Get Payment. Now, tap on Coupons to provide brand coupon discounts to the customer. Here, you can scan the corresponding coupon from customer's phone or manually enter the coupon code that the customer has generated via SMS and tap on Apply. Note, you can scan multiple coupons corresponding to products purchased at one go and then click on Apply. As you can see, one coupon is applied. Now tap on Collect. Congratulations! With this, you have successfully redeemed a discount coupon for your customer using the Jio Prime Merchant app. Let us understand in detail how you can identify a successful card payment and also refund customers' money if there is a requirement. First, Let's see how you can double check if a card transaction was successfully completed. Once you swipe a card, upon successful transaction, you will see the payment success message on the screen. Here, a unique order number will be generated, which also means that a purchase bill is created. The second way to confirm is through the payment success SMS that as a merchant you will receive on your registered mobile number post successful transaction. Another way to double check is through the transaction history section on the home screen of Jio Prime Merchant app. Here you can see all the transaction for the day with date and timestamp of transaction. To the right, it can display 3 types of status. First, success means it's completed. Second, failed means it's unsuccessful and needs to be redone. Third, settled means the money is transferred into merchant settlement bank account. Coming back to the sales summary tab, you can also SMS or email the customer transaction receipt to the customer or yourself. To do so, tap on any transaction. The transaction details will appear along with the transaction ID or TID. To SMS or email transaction receipt, tap on Send Receipt. And in case of refund, tap on Refund. Congratulations! With this, you have understood how to identify a successful card payment and also refund customers' money if there's a requirement. To start ordering and purchasing from a supplier, tap on Orders and Purchases. Now, to order online from a supplier, tap on Order Online. Next, select the supplier from whom you wish to order. Example, in this case we want to purchase from Reliance Market. Thereafter, enter your 16-digit Reliance Market membership ID and tap on Proceed. Note, this is a one-time process. Once registered, you will be directly taken to the Reliance Market page. On successful validation, you will see a welcome message and you will get linked to Reliance Market. To proceed, tap on OK. Here, if you want to purchase grocery from this supplier, select Grocery and Staples from the list. Similarly, you can select different categories on the basis of the product you wish to purchase. Now, select the desired items from the list by adding the quantity required. After selecting all the required items, you are ready to check out. Thereafter, you will see the final summary screen with all the items listed. You can now tap on the Place Order to send the order to the supplier. Congratulations! With this, you have successfully placed your order. Tap on OK to proceed. Now, you will be redirected to this screen from where you can see the orders placed with all the suppliers. On this screen, select the Order History icon. Now you can view any order you have placed by clicking on the corresponding order. Next, you can view the order summary. Here, you can also track the exact stage of the chosen order. Thank you.